Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Chrome on HP Compaq 250. To install Google Chrome, go to any browser that you may currently have. By default, you should have Microsoft Edge, so you can just open that and then search for Google Chrome. Okay, now let's enter and it will show you Google Chrome browser right here. And now click on download Chrome and it will start downloading. If you are doing it in a different browser than Microsoft Edge, then it may look slightly different. It may not be here, but may be in somewhere else. So if you don't know how to use your browser and how to open the downloaded files, then you may want to follow the tutorial exactly and go to the Microsoft Edge so you can do the exact same steps as me. Now, since the file is downloaded, I can click on open file right here. Now it will ask me for the administrator privileges. I'm gonna click on yes. And now I can already close the Microsoft Edge because this window will start downloading it. And now Google Chrome is installed. I don't know why it took so long, but it depends on your internet connection. It's most likely that it will take less than for me, because in my case it took 8 minutes. And now you can sign in if you want. I'm gonna click on don't sign in, then select your search engine. I'm gonna select Google and set as default. Now it asks me if I want to set Chrome as my default browser. If you don't, then click on skip, but if you do, click on set as default and it will open the settings window. And now it will have this prompt right here. To make Google your default browser, you can just click on set default and now close the settings. Here you can turn on an add privacy feature, then click on got it, and now you're ready to use Google Chrome. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.